Hello everyone. Today we're going to go ahead and take a look at opening up an existing design that was already created. We're going to go ahead and do that by accessing the file, and then any of these here that you want to access, you can simply click on them. This one's out of spec. This one's in spec. Please note the green versus the red. Also note right now here there's nothing blue that can be accessed or opened. That will change as soon as I click on any one of these. Another opportunity to do it is to click here. By doing so, I can see the different types that I've already worked on. This is my first rocket, KNK. This is my second rocket, happens to be first hour, Wurzburger first rocket. And this one here happens to be 7th hour, Wurzburger, my first rocket. Those are all indicated right here. So I want to go ahead and take the last revision that I've looked, click on that one. And as soon as I click on it, I can open it. I can also see if I have already competed with it. I can take a look at the diagnostics. I also identify how many times I've made a revision on it. This list right here identifies, if I'd scroll down, all the things that I've done to it within those revisions. Allow that to open up. Go up to engineering. I use my sight so I can start to see this. My propulsion all the way down to the design of it. If I'd want to make any changes, I want to alter the cone tube, I certainly can do that. I'm not interested in making any changes today. I am interested in learning how to print. If I go to my Outputs tab, I'm going to verify that I am in spec. Everything here is completely in black. That means I'm in spec. Otherwise known as in specification, within a range of what's acceptable. Here is a print function for our design specification. Please note there is no print icon on this sheet. So you have to right click to get this to open up. We're going to go to this frame and print this frame. Try it again. If I click left, I don't get anything. I have to click right. This frame, print frame. Once I get that, please take special note. Right now, for this particular scenario, we may be printing to the main office. Usually, we print to the tech lab. We also have to take a look at our effects and ensure that we are actual size. Again, properties, effects, actual size. If for some reason we would want to be half, our proportion would become half, we could actually do that. If we are 50% of actual size, we could do that. We could also go to the other end and make it 200% of actual size. However, our bottle does not shrink to half, nor does our bottle increase by twice. So this part here does not help us. We want to be actual size. Hit OK. Again, please take note. Check with your instructor. For today's activity, we are actually printing to the main office. Those properties must be checked. It is good. And we go ahead and make sure that we print all of the pages. And we hit OK. Please note, our rocket has a title. That rocket will remain the same if we go down to letter size. Please note, that rocket name is right there. This one, however, does have a print function. And again, please check with your instructor. Today, we are printing to the main office. Most will always use the Tech Lab. Actual size is good. And we go ahead and hit print. What you're going to find is your fins and your transition cone. Those two items should be printing at the printer. And how do we know whose is whose? It's because these are right on there. Check with your instructor for additional information or direction.